Alright, you guys, I'm over here with my friend Mo Cut. He's gonna come through and cut me up. Your boy is looking rough.
Real rough.
Jesus, I haven't had a haircut in forever, man, and I'm like looking forward to this, bro. I appreciate you coming by.
Get ready, bro.
Woo! In the nice new chair. Let's get it. And he's working with my tools, and I gave him my rig that I've been experimenting with. This is like everything that he's using is totally foreign to him. So Mo, tell me about yourself a little bit, bro.
So I'm originally from Washington, D.C. I've been cutting for about 13 years now. And I found passion in it when I was about 14. I was working in the shop at 14. Did my own edge up with my dad's Gillette blade.
You look like one of them previously picky clients.
Oh, I am.
I do it.
Everybody up. So I grew it out. I'm like the only barber in the city with long ass hair and do my own tapers.
That's like a funny thing, dude. It's like the barber's got the long hair, the plumber's got the leaky sink. So what are your goals? What are your goals in this industry? Talk a little loud too so they can hear you.
My goals is to, keep history in barbering, continue on with my passion, grow as an individual and teach the youth, man, that doesn't have no guidance. There's a lot of kids out there, man, that don't know what they want to do in their life, and I feel like me showing them or teaching them or even guiding them in the right direction would help.
So for those of you guys who don't know, I met Mo at the hair show, and he was competing. So was that like, how many times have you competed?
I'd say about 4 times.
And what was the nerves like getting on stage and stuff? Like that was a pretty big venue.
The nerves there, man, were it was a little nerve-wracking, bro. Especially when they told me I couldn't use my own clippers.
Yeah, that was some bullshit.
They were like, "Hey guys, we got a little surprise for you. You can't use your own clippers." So that's when I was like, "Whoa, hold on." So I had to use whatever was on the table with no blade.
It was garbage too.
Yeah,
it was hot garbage. They had the trimmers that you wouldn't even cut a dog's hair with. He's trying out the Gamma Rebels. What's your thoughts so far?
Amazing.
Stay like butter. I think everybody's gonna feel that too. Like when they, when like they come out, and everybody starts really getting them. Yeah. I think people are gonna feel that.
They feel like butter, bro.
I used to be over here at 5:30 in the morning every Saturday.
Really?
Yeah. I built this clientele of people who were coming in early, So when Chad came, he was like, "I'll come in early with you, bro. Let's do it." You got a good light touch.
Thank you,
you could tell he's been doing this for a while. You could tell, he's got a good rapid fire, light touch, good feel. And I've been wolfing now for 2 months. I set about, I'm growing this beard out. I'm never gonna cut the bottom of this beard again, ever. I'm gonna sculpt it. Yeah, sculpt it up a little bit, but I'm just saying, I'm never gonna, last year, it was about just as long, and I can't imagine, though, my beard would be another 6 inches long if I didn't cut that off. Gamma sent me a clipper, and in a moment of weakness, I shaved it off. Gamma, we gotta hook him up with some rebels, man. He's young, he's hungry, he's moving his way up, he's competing. You're gonna show some love over here. So he's going to San Antonio, Texas.
For the 5-star barber battle.
So you flying out?
Yeah.
Just to go to the battle.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's awesome, bro.
I'm competing in all 5 categories.
How much is this trip costing you in full?
About $1,600.
Oh my God.
So I gotta come back with at least 4 trophies, 45 trophies.
He's gotta come back with some trophies to make some money back. How much is the most you can win in one category?
2,000.
Oh well, shit! If you win that, then the whole shit's a wrap, right?
Pretty much,
it's a wrap.
So it's the fade and beard.
Mm-hmm.
Fast fade, which the fast fade I'm getting somebody right out of the crowd.
So you don't even know.
Yeah, I don't have the model for that one. Fade and beard, I'm debating. I got a guy that's coming with me that has Nice faded beard.
How about them people who come to the shop right after they come from the gym?
Oh shit.
They're like, hey man, I just came from the gym, sweating. They're like, oh, how nice of you to, like share all this sweat with me. That's great.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
You gotta hold it in for a second. Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
You never use something like that? Press it again. I got it. He sprayed himself. He's not used to it. The automatic spray bottle is real, bro.
That's foreign, bro.
That shit. Yeah, He's like, hey, dude, my hair is so thin. You could have wet the whole thing in like 2 squeezes. But for some of them clients that got like the really thick shit, it's pretty dope, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's like a shampoo. It's like equivalent to shampoo with them. I just need to do something with that top. On your cape too, you got I don't know which ones you're using. Yeah, you're using the good ones. Yeah. Those are Mitsutanis. I got lucky, and Sheer Police was nice enough to send me that pair right there. I like them a lot.
Yeah, they're good. They're smooth.
Sheer Police has a lot of good ones too that are like they're really nice. They have just a good feel to them, and they're very inexpensive. Chad's got a couple pairs too that are really nice.
Yeah, last time I cut Chad, I was like, damn, Chad, these are nice.
Yeah, they were cool.
He's like, bro, Eddie got me those.
You ever see a client come in, they've been wolfing it for 6 months, and then they talk about all the stuff they always do to their hair. I usually get it this way and that way. And you're like, bitch, whatever I do will be an improvement to what you've had going on for the last half a year. How you gonna be like
When was the last time you had a haircut?
Yeah, it's been like probably 2 or 3 months. I just haven't really had the time, unless I
Sound like me, bro.
Yeah, you know how it is, bro. I run from one thing to another to another. You gotta get used to using the Barber Rig, bro. I noticed you've been going back to the station a lot.
See that, right?
Yeah. Dude, I did that so much. I kept setting stuff on my station.
Oh, yo, what's going on? Where's everything? Oh.
Today was the first day. This is day 2 of wearing it, and it was the first day that there was periods of time where I was using it, and it felt really functional. Especially towards the end of the haircut, you take off the cape and you clean up the back of somebody's neck. My trimmer was right there, and I had my scissors in my hand still, so I was able to just boom, boom, grab the trimmer, knock that off real quick, and it was awesome.
Look at this. Look at the table.
I know, bro. Look at this. Already looks like a bomb went off. You gotta put that shit away where it belongs. Actually, no, you can just take it because I'm only gonna wait Tuesday. Take it with you and work in the shop with it for 3 days. You know what I'm saying? So you get used to it. And then when you do that fastest fade, you're gonna be able to just fly. But if you keep going back to your station and you're gonna cut, you know what I mean? You're cutting time down, figure. You're just gonna be able to fly. What do you guys think? You guys think I should try the crop top? Just razor it right here. Make my bangs fairly short. I don't know, bro. Have fun, bro. Cut loose. Let's do something drastically different. So what blades are you using at your shop on the regular?
I use primes.
The Prime Platinum Dorcos?
Yeah, I use the see-through. It's funny because I use the Astros with the see-through ones.
That's fire, bro.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Big difference, bro. Man, I haven't seen my hair cut and the beard done nice in a long time.
I saw a low cut, bro, and it changed my whole outlook on my life.
It changed my life.
Yeah, man, we went to that doggone thing.
He's like, I watched Mo Cut do a haircut.
Yeah.
It changed my life.
He's like, man, he didn't use the half on that. What was it you said? You said you were watching, he was like, he didn't use the what?
Yeah, I don't know yet. Skip the half.
Are you liking that automatic spray bottle? Yeah. You should have seen when he put the automatic spray bottle at first. He couldn't figure out how to turn it off.
Right.
That was weird.
He's like, huh?
Yeah.
It's a garden.
I'm still a mess, bro. I'm learning here, bro. I'm learning.
Learn your way through it, right?
I'm like, alright, well, let me see how this works.
Are you liking those trimmers, bro?
Huh?
What about those trimmers?
Yeah, these trimmers are fire, bro.
Why is everything on the station again, bro? You gotta keep it all in the.
It sits. Yeah, keep it low.
Yeah.
In the
I'm back.
Let's see how long it lasts. How long will you be able to keep everything in the rig without setting everything down? You need a noise to happen, it's as soon as you try to turn to the station.
Like you get zapped by something.
Yeah, because you don't need to turn to the station for nothing no more, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
it's funny. Like it takes me a million tries to do it, but then all of a sudden, at the end of today, I was really actually using it like the way it was supposed to be used.
I know for a fact, like for me personally, like when I start just setting stuff down on the station, I'll lose something, and it's like right in front of my face.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know,
Especially if you make a mess, like if you.
this?
Like I was talking about that in my last video about like how important it is to try to put stuff back where it goes on your station.
Mm-hmm.
And for a lot of us, we're like artists, you know, it's really easy for us to just kind of throw our paintbrush down and just grab the color that you want, and then all of a sudden you're like, where the fuck did that brush go?
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? But like if you build that muscle memory, you're like, hey, I put this here when I'm done with it every single time, and you build that muscle memory, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's good.
Yep.
It's always there, and you're not losing it. I feel like it's about, this one is about as big as it needs to be.
Right.
You know, it's like all business. It's good for your trimmer, good for your clipper. And the one thing I was worried about was like if like I would go to pull my like clipper out and one of my shears would go flying, and that hasn't happened yet. The only thing that did happen that was a little not their fault, but like the magnetic guards, there's a magnet on the back of this chair. And it's only in one little place, and the magnetic guard tried to like leap out and attach to the
Barber love. You're showing Barber love to the community. Where there's a lot of, I believe, and I'm, you know, I don't want to assume, but I'm guessing in a lot of places, you know, local, you know, your local. There's not a lot of local barbers that support each other locally because there's just so much competition, or whether they're saying
they view each other as competition for no reason.
Yeah, I mean,
like as if there's not enough, you know, heads going around. You know what I'm saying?
I think this is a great example of showing Barber love, and you know.
That's what I'm saying, man. That's why like, I appreciate you coming over here and hanging out. You know, I think it's super cool. You know,
you gotta support each other. You
this
know what I'm
dude's a
saying?
successful barber. He's got his own shop and shit. He clearly knows what he's doing. You know, and he just comes over and kicks it with us. He cuts our hair, and you know, it's just dope.
I've been cutting Chad's hair like 2 times or 3 times already?
Yeah, a couple times, man.
Hey, barber's never gonna turn down a good haircut. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we get
Shit,
it.
if we got time, you know.
That's it, man. Plumbers always got leaky pipes, man. You know, it's not very often you have the time to get that nice fresh one sometimes, dude.
He likes that Turkish razor.
Those Turkish razors, man.
You got one?
Yeah, I do, if you want to use it.
I'd like to experiment with it.
Yeah.
Maybe throw it in here next week. I'll give it a try.
You don't feel hot, right?
Like iron wood.
I know that was a garden hose. It's fire.
Yo, Mo, does that guy Leo come on always on Mondays?
But he comes too. Yeah, it's probably one of my best cuts today, bro.
Boy, this shit is fire. We hooked it up. Let's go. Damn. That's maybe a little bit. I'll see it.
Little crop top on top, the back long.
Give him a spin. Give him that 360.
Nice little beard.
Woo! Yo, let's go.
Got that European style going. A little bit of that.
Yo, Sean Cuts hair, I'm coming for you. Alright, yo, wait. Sean Cuts hair. How'd he do, man? I liked your style, man. I had a, I might have, we did it a little different. The beard's a little stronger. You could relate. But, yo, he killed it, man. Mo, I appreciate you so much for coming out here, man.
Anytime,
This
bro.
man's competing. We're going to wish him luck in the Texas barber battle. And I'm going to let him borrow my rig to do it,
I'll be taking pictures, so you guys stay tuned.
That's awesome, man. So we'll figure out how he does. I hope you bring back a trophy, man, because you're going to compete in a lot of shit. So
I gotta bring back a couple.
that's it, man. It's awesome, bro.